Hello everyone, this is Pranav. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today let us analyze how exactly Bank Nifty is going to react based upon the previous levels. From past Friday as well as Monday, there is a strong support in these areas. Like 43,450 is a support area. And there is a trend line in the Bank Nifty around 43,700. If at all, if market has opened beyond this trend line 43,660 area, then 43,700 we can take CE positions till we can trial 44,000 respectively. So if we are observing based upon the sellers and buyers, here buying zone it is right. If market has opened gap down, all these buyers will hit stop loss and market will move drastically towards the 43,200. And as for the SGX Nifty today, if open gap up like 43,700, if we are checking based upon the seller's point of view, for this seller's point of view, a stop loss will be here 43,700, 43,800, 43,900 as well as lastly 44,000. So you have to keep trailing between these areas, then you can get good profits. So this is how we need to trade for Bank Nifty. Let us check how exactly Nifty is there. Nifty is also looking in same pattern. A support area, it is from past two trading sessions, as well as a resistance line it is in this area where you can buy 18,700 with target of 18,750, 18,800 as well as 18,880 as well as 18,900. This will be the psychological resistance area. If you see the same pattern for Nifty as well as Bank Nifty, both having the same pattern. So we have to check simultaneously this Fin Nifty, because Fin Nifty expiry it is there today. So accordingly we can take a zero hero calls. Like if Bank Nifty as well as Nifty, if it is going to gap up open, then we can take this 19,700 CE position at 10 rupees. So this market will be keep pushing right from 19,560, 19,600, 19,700. So this is how you need to exactly